In a developing story, home-based childcare programs like family childcare networks are the preferred option for some families over daycare centers. The experience can be more personal and nurturing. However, family childcare networks have been facing a significant decline since the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, one Michigan state agency is stepping in to support. Mid-Michigan Now's Deshaun Johnson explains how these local programs are receiving some assistance.
The Michigan Department of Lifelong Education, Advancement, and Potential, or MiLEAP, is doing its part to help support Michigan Family Child Care Network hubs, awarding more than $2.5 million to support 14 different child care programs across the state. One of them is providing care right here in Genesee County.
We help families to find childcare, we help families to afford childcare, and we help childcare providers to provide quality care.
Annette Sobocinski is the executive director of Child Care Network, a nonprofit organization that offers a variety of services to counties across Michigan specific to child care and early child education. One of those services being family child care networks.
Family child care networks are something that was created and implemented in Michigan to really support home providers with connecting with each other, peer learning.
A home-based child care program are sometimes a preferred alternative to programs like daycare centers.
It's really hard sometimes for families to let their infant go into a child care center like environment, but when they're going into a home, they feel much more comfortable, much more connected and safe.
However, Sobocinski says the more than $355,000 will not only support family child care networks, but also the families wanting to get involved with them.
When we wrap services around providers to support them and strengthen them and give them the supports that they need to be robust, high quality, well-supported businesses, it supports the families that are using their services.
Child Care Network is just one of the many Mid-Michigan provider-driven hubs that will be receiving funding. Others include the Saginaw Intermediate School District and the United Way of Midland County. For a full breakdown of each network receiving funding, head to our website, MidMichiganNow.com. Reporting from the studio, Deshaun Johnson, Mid-Michigan Now.